So let's talk about intermittent fasting, a very typical conversation topic that everybody's talking about when it comes to weight management. One of the most important things to think about when it comes to intermittent fasting is what are we doing when we're doing that to our metabolic system? The number one benefit of intermittent fasting is increasing your resting metabolic rate. And that is key when it comes to long-term success of maintaining the weight loss that you've accomplished. Secondarily, in intermittent fasting, it becomes important to think about what are the last things that you're eating during the window of time that you are eating. If you increase your carbohydrates at the end of that eating window, then you will leave the eating window still hungry, which is what you don't want to do. So making sure you have adequate protein as well as fat when you're ending your eating for the day is very important. The concept of intermittent fasting simply is narrowing the number of hours that you eat within every time that you engage in that for the day. So maybe it's just 4 days a week that you're going to narrow the number of hours that you eat to approximately 8 hours. If you want to get really serious, you would drop it to 6. But again, you want to start off trying to make at least 4 days in the week where you've narrowed that window.